Hello, I'm Cedric Stewart, the People's National Party's representative for East Central St. James. This is a constituency in which I was born and raised, and I now reside. As a banker, it's a career built on integrity and trust, on performance, and I bring all those qualities to the representation of the people of East Central St. James. I'm a trustworthy person. I'm a person who knows how to give my word and honor it. I stand by my words at all times. Water, housing, better roads, a better way of life, more employment opportunities, establishment of cooperatives, farming, paying special attention to the farmers. This is a rural constituency and we need to get the farming activity up and running.